Uncover the voice behind the light and find a greater sound. The new, the unknown. The music yet discovered. A beautiful noise.
Hello, everybody. Whole life, I thought you were golden. I thought you were wild. Caught you returning to the house you can't find. But I know that I was your favorite, and I said amen. Lost, found favor in heaven, and I at your side. But I never felt sorry. Those shimmering lights, when I lay down and cried, I was fake, and I said amen. Last night I dreamt that I hit a deal with my car. Blood from his heart spilled out onto my dress and was warm. He begged me to follow, but legions of sorrow defied me. Oh, life, I thought you were golden. I thought you were wild. Caught you returning to the house you can't find. But I know that I was your favorite, and I said amen. Oh, favorite, and I said amen. Thank you. It's haunted. And if you knew what I know, just another puppet. She's not even keeping score. And the lazy way she treats you leaves me cold. She laugh about your petty friends, but you don't know. 'Cause if you knew what I know, wouldn't go to see her. And least of all, believe her when she says that she wants you. Spends her daddy's money and she drives her daddy's cars. And what's crazy is the way you think that's style. And all the while my heart is breaking, you're not even on mine. 'Cause if you knew what I know, baby, you wouldn't leave me. You wouldn't turn away from my love. It's what you said that you believed in. I say this as a friend. You knew that poor boy in the end. Thank you.
Well, when I was a kid, I think the first band that made me want to be in a band was the Flat Duo Jets from North Carolina. I saw them in that movie, Athens, GA, Inside Out, and you know, they said the things I wanted to say, and you know, they had such great energy, and I don't know, they were sexy, and they were just amazing, and that really made me want to be in a band.
This song is the title track off our new record called Fox Confessor Brings the Flood. You guys ready?
Driving home, I see those flooded fields. How can people not know what beauty this is? Taking it for granted my whole life since the day I was born. Clouds hang on these curves like me, and I kneel to the wheel of the Fox Confessor on splendid heels, and he shames me from my seat. On my guilty feet I follow him in the tree. Purpose in these deeds of Fox Confessor, please married me to these orphan blues. It's not for you to know, but for you to weep and wonder when the death of your civilization precedes you. flooded my sleeves as I drove home again.
Thank you.
Now that we've met, we can only laugh at these regrets. Common as a winter cold, their telephone poles. We follow each other, one after another, after another. Now my heart is green as we've roamed to outlive their season. And nothing comforts me the same as my brave friend who says, I don't care if forever never comes, 'cause I'm holding out for that teenage feeling. Holding out for that teenage feeling. All the loves we had, all we ever knew, did they fill me with so many secrets to keep me from loving you? 'Cause it's hard.
Thank you. I went to the Havelock Jamboree in Ontario, and the first real country music hero I ever saw was Loretta Lynn. And it was funny because I went there with the Sadies, who were going to meet up with the Good Brothers, who are their parents. And so the second I got out of the car, right when I got there, Loretta Lynn was sitting in a car right next to me, and she just waved hello. And I was like, wow, that's Loretta Lynn, oh my God. And then later on, you know, there were opportunities to meet her, but there were so many people all over her. You know, I just thought the nicest thing I could do as her fan was to just leave her alone, because people were literally climbing all over her. I don't know how she manages, but it was amazing.
Want to get it all behind me. You know, everything reminds me I can't be myself without you. Wanna crawl down deep inside. Springs inside the mattress where I cry my dirty secrets. 'Cause I just can't shake this feeling that I'm nothing in your eyes. Never knew heartbreak was coming. and the smokestacks on the bank swallow that horizon. Hunger beyond hunger to the cloudy blue Pacific, to the air in my lungs. And if I knew heartbreak was coming, I would have set out running. 'Cause I just can't shake this feeling that I'm nothing in your eyes. Thank you.
Here's another new song off the new record.
My true love drowned in a dirty old pan of oil that did run from the block of a Falcon sedan 1969. The paper said 75. There were no survivors, none found alive. Trees break the sidewalk, and the sidewalk skins my knees. There's glass in my thermos, blood on my jeans. Nickels and dimes of the 4th of July roll off in a crooked line to the chain link lights where the red tails die. Oh, how I forgot what it's like. Hey, when she sing, when she sing, when she sing like she runs, moves like she runs. Hey, when she moves and she moves and she moves like she runs, moves like she runs. Hey there, there's such dandy wolves round town tonight, round the town tonight. Hey there, there's such dandy wolves round town tonight, round the town tonight. Hey, pretty baby, get high with me. We can go to my sister's if we say we'll watch the baby. The look on your face yanks my neck on the chain, and I would do anything, I would do anything to see you again. So I've fallen behind. Hey, when she sings, when she sings, when she sings like she runs, moves like she runs. Hey, when she moves and she moves and she moves like she runs, moves like she runs. Hey there, there's such dandy wolves round town tonight, round the town tonight. Hey there, there's such dandy wolves round town tonight, round the town tonight. Go on and scream and cry. You're miles from where anyone will find you. This is nothing new, no television crew. They don't even put on the sirens. My nightgown sweeps the pavement, please. Don't let him die. Oh, how I forgot
Thank you. Okay, this is a scary story that my grandma told me. So suddenly, the madness came with its whiskered woven ether pangs. He locked the door and he shut the blinds. He laid down on the floor and he slept like on while the dirty knives wore deep into his spine. The blood runs crazy. The blood runs crazy. Cascading letters pool on the stairs. The grass is high, the cats are wild. You can't even touch the tip of their tails, and the blood runs crazy with giant strides. You sang nursery rhymes to paralyze the wolves that eddy out the corner of his eyes. Squared and frozen where he stood in the glow of the furniture, pile high for firewood, and the blood runs crazy with giant strides. And the woodsman failed to breach those fangs in time, so they dragged him through the underbrush, wearing 3 winter coats and a dirty knife. Thank you.
There's a very lonely rift in between human beings and the natural world, and that maybe sounds kind of hippie, but you cannot deny that there is a natural world, and then people pretend they don't belong to it at all. I don't mean like, eating your organic herbs or something. I mean like not acknowledging that, say, a rabbit or a dog is an actual thinking, feeling being, and that its intelligence is not at a lower level than our own, though it be different, or I don't know. I'm just, and basically, I'm just a human being, so I don't know anything. All I know is that there's something missing. And so I guess that's what people do through art and music, is they try to figure out what that is. It's like this weird physics that just isn't specific, That doesn't make a lot of sense, but it just seems like the path that you're supposed to go down to figure out why you think about these things so hard. Yeah, if you lead any kind of examined life,
Maybe, sparrow, you should wait
hawks a light till morning. You never pass beyond the gate if you don't hear my warning. Notes so high, so effortless, with the rise and fall of sparrows' breast to drown and die. Then back to the chorus, la-di-da-di-da. Maybe, sparrow, it's too late. The moonlight glanced off metal wings in a thunderstorm above the clouds. The engine hums a sparrow's phrase. Those who cannot hear the words, those who cannot hear the words, those who will not hear the words, la-di-da-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da-di-da. Maybe sparrow, maybe sparrow, maybe sparrow. I can say that I've lived here in honor and danger, but I'm just an animal and cannot explain a life. Down this chain of days I wish to stay among my people. Relation now means nothing, having chosen so defined. And if death should smell my breathing as it passed beneath my window, let it lead me trembling, trembling. I owe every bell that tolls me. Thank you. That's a short one. Chimney falls as lovers' plays. I thought that I was young. Now I've freezing hands and bloodless veins, as numb as I've become. I'm so tired, I wish I was the moon tonight. Last night I dreamt I'd forgotten my name, 'cause I sold my soul, but I woke just the same. I'm so lonely, and I wish I was the moon tonight. 'Cause 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 'c chimney falls as lovers play. I thought that I was young. Now freezing hands and bloodless veins, as numb as I've become. I'm so tired, I wish I was the moon tonight.
Making a record is kind of like being holed up in a bunker somewhere, so it's very different. It's a really excellent experience on its own, but you know, when you're done making the record as the performer, you know, you don't really listen to it again, especially if you produced it, because you've heard it 10,000 times. And so the next step is, you know, then your audience has your record, and then you make the live show, which is a very different thing from the recording, because you need a lot less people to make that much noise in a live situation. So that's kind of the fun challenge, is to see how to translate it into a live setting.
This song is called Deep Red Bells.
Led you to this hiding place, whose lightning thread spun silver tongue. Red bells beckon you to ride, handprint on the driver's side. Looks a lot like getting to Norland, tastes like being poor and small, and popsicles in summer. Deep red bells, deep as I have been down. Deep red bells, deep as I have been down. It always has to come to this. Red bells ring this tragic hour. Lost sight of the overpass. Daylight won't remember that. Speckled fawns graze round your bones, who took the time to fold your clothes and shook the valley of the shadow. Deep red bells, deep as I have been down. Deep red bells, deep as I have been down. Where does this mean world carry
who's left to suffer long about you? Does your soul cast about like an old paper bag past empty lots and early grass? Those like you who've lost the way, murdered on the interstate while the red bells rang like thunder. Oh, deep red bells, deep as I have been down. Deep red bells, deep as I have been down.
Thank you very much.
This song was written by our friend Miss Catherine Irwin, and it's very sad.
Hear me calling your name in the night. Run to the window, thinking a coyote might be howling. Hear me knocking at your door again to tell yourself it's only the wind that's blowing. The sun in the sky seems down in the west to tell yourself that the heart in your chest is still beating. Will you know, or must I tell you, this is my lover's spell you have fallen into. My dear, my voice is all you'll hear, only the sound of my heart pounding, darling. You took my heart, cast it aside, laughed when I cried, like it was just no big deal. And here all alone in the dark, I know just how you feel. Feel my fingers touch your skin again. You tell yourself there's just no use in crying. sky begin to fade. Tell yourself, don't be afraid. It's just the night that's dying. Will you know, or must I tell you? This is my lover's spell you have fallen into. My dear, my voice is all you'll hear.
Thank you very much.
Barring obviously things like feeling sick, you know, that's what we do, you know, and about 5 shows in, you generally feel like you're at the top of your game, and you know, that interaction with people every night in a different city is very exciting. And you know, working with people that you've been working with for years and you have a good time with, even after the show, making chili on the bus or whatever, it's really nice. It's a very nice existence. I like it. I mean, sometimes, you know, you can't help it. You're older, you get run down, you get sick, but, you know, it goes away.
This one is spooky. Ish. Spooky-ish.
All night, all I hear's your heart. How come, how come? Twisted you over and under to take you. Clothes went so wild as they swallowed the rest. Twisted you under and under to break you. Just couldn't breathe with your throne on my chest. Night, all I hear's your heart. How come, how come? So far under the bed, into the beams you've gone. I've gone, you've gone. Go! place in my heart is for strangers. I know it's unkind, but my own blood is much too dangerous. Hanging round the ceiling half the time. Hanging round the ceiling half the time. Compared to some I've been around, but I really tried so hard. That I go course slide to me with its hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. In the end I was a mean girl, but somebody's in between, girl. Now it's devil I love, and it's as funny as real love. I leave the party at 3 a.m. alone, thank God. With a body down from the bride, it's the devil I love, it's devil I love, and that's as funny as real love, and that's as real as true love. That I go course slide to me with its hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. That I go course slide to me with its hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
We're still playing venues that, you know, aren't too big for me to see people's faces, and, you know, I work with all the people that I've known for all these years, and, you know, it's going really well. And of course, I'd like to sell more records and have more people hear my music, but I think there's just, I guess my point about that was that there's just a level I'm not that interested in getting to. I mean, sometimes people invite you to do things like go on Jay Leno or David Letterman, and those things are really exciting and they're really fun to do. But, you know, there's a certain sort of Hollywoodness that you don't want to get to. But, you know, I don't think I could get there anyway. But, you know, then there's those halfway points. Like I said, like the talk shows are really fun to do, and, you know, and they're usually really nice, and it's an interesting experience. So you kind of get to have that, you know, that feeling of like being a kid and having a dream like, wow, I'd like to be on David Letterman someday. So sometimes you get to do that stuff, and it's really cool. And, you know, we sit in our dressing room going, we just don't want to make anyone mad. Oh my God. And then you do it, and it's super fun, and, you know, all your friends at home are like, right on. And so that's pretty cool. But, you know, I don't need to be on the MTV Music Awards or anything.
Oh, John the Baptist, oh, John divine, leather harness round his line. His meat was locust and honey, wild honey, Lord, wild honey. Down silent number, way in the middle of the air, crying holy, holy to the Lord. Oh, John the Baptist, oh, John divine, frogs and snakes gonna get John this time. God told the angel, go see about John. So they flew from the pit with the moon round his waist, scattered wind in his fists, and the stars round his wrist, crying holy,
holy to the Lord. Read the Revelation, you'll find him there. The chapter 4, the verse where he said unto me, there's a peace that rolls out of the sea. 10 crowns on this horn tried blasphemy. John couldn't read it. Can I repeat it? John couldn't read it. Holy, holy to the Lord. Was a man a Pharisee who came by night and meet him? Said, I know that teacher came from God, 'cause no man can do such miracles without the Lord, to entreat it. God told the angel, go see about John. Flew from the pit with the moon round his waist, gathered wind in his fists, and the stars round his wrist. Crying, holy, holy to the Lord. 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 Holy, holy to the Lord.
Thank you, everybody. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for all your patience and sitting on the hard chairs. It's very nice to see you as my last audience of all time again. Thanks, everybody.
Notes so high